Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Tonight I'm working on the X-MAXX. Actually, the X-MAXX needs a servo. If you saw my first run of this vehicle, the servo is completely dead, doesn't work anymore. So I got the 2085X, which is the Traxxas upgrade version, and it's got a heat sink. It now has all metal construction of gears on the inside, and it has 100 ounces more torque, as well as it includes a stronger servo saver spring, and it includes a metal adjustable turnbuckle link. So that's going to go into this truck, and then while I'm wrenching on this, my buddy's here, 705 Toys, and he's got his Slash 4x4, which still has the broken MIP axle, and so he's going to swap some axle servicing so we can try and take it for a rip tomorrow. Alright guys, so I'm going to wrench on this a bit. Okay, I think I'm about ready to pull the front bulkhead off, and it's like 8 screws, so 8 or 10, so those are from the top and those are from the bottom so far. And if you don't know what screws to take out, you can just go to Traxxas support and they have videos that show you nice graphics like this about what screws to take out. Separating the front module of the Xmaxx for the first time. Oh, that's cool. That's a big beefy drive shaft. Look at that. Woohoo! Nice. It's nice and straight too. Remember, this is a used truck. This is my first time taking a look. Neato. Time to swap the servo out. Servo lives under here. Just take the screws out, pop the bottom skid out, and there's the stock servo. Oh, look at this. The center. What the heck is that? Why is that just in there? Is that the other side of this? Does it engage like that? Really? So here's the stalker servo, and this was even what they included in the Xmaxx 8S. So interestingly enough, like this was a 350 inch servo, and it is waterproof. I've heard that it has plastic gears inside. Like, that's ridiculous for an almost 5th scale truck. So then they came out with this, which is all metal gear, in and out, and 100 more torque. Still waterproof, even though it's not blue anymore. Now installing the thicker, heavier duty spring. So this is the upgraded one, and here's the stock one just coming out now. Yeah, it's noticeably a little bit softer for sure. Oh yeah, this one's way heavier duty spring than this one. Way more. All right, cool. Throw that in. Stronger spring, metal link, stronger servo. Even just feels better on the bench like that. All right, the upgrade is complete for the servo, and we're going to take the Xmaxx for its first real 8S rip. Okay, power on. So we now have steering. It sounds way stronger. Oh yeah, it feels way better.
I think coming this way.
Ah.
Wow. Oh my god! Just dominates the terrain.
My first Xmaxx body pop off. I guess that's it. Oh. Apparently you can put the body on backwards. That's a thing. There. Jeez. Noob.
God, how does it feel?
It's pretty good. I'll let you try it in a second.
What's it feel like compared to tape?
Just a lot more mass.
Jumps really nice.
Yeah. The acceleration's really good. Oh shit. Ah. What was that snap? That's snapping.
Plastic hitting plastic.
Is it?
All shafts are all intact. Cool.
I'll just record what you do.
That does feel heavy.
Yeah, it's got some mass to it.
Cool though. I can see why people like
Oh, nice. Oh.
It's easy to get out of hand with that math.
Yeah.
On one. Ready?
Yeah.
Three,
3, 2,
two,
1.
That was an awesome launch.